over to the chief. We've got Air Moran with us as well. They are tracking everything headed our way. Scott, let's start with you.
What's new, Doug and Nicole, is we are seeing now the potential of severe storms into the evening hours, as we talked about. And there's a new severe thunderstorm watch that does include the majority of North Texas and the metroplex. This is until midnight. So conditions showing that these storms are starting to get going a little bit more this afternoon. So that's what we're keeping our eyes on. And as I told Doug there, the Dunbar House, there is rain still happening in Keller. The first alert radar showing this storm making its way from the southwest to the north and east. So from near Keller down to near Saginaw, just to near Eagle Mountain, down to near Lakeside, we do have the rain that's moving its way through. Some pockets of some heavier rain. Nothing severe. I'm tilting the picture again to show you that we do have this storm that now has developed just a bit more. I'm going to go kind of move it just a little bit more. You can't see near 20,000 feet or higher. So it's something that we've been watching as we've gone into the afternoon hours. Storms kind of going up and kind of falling apart just a little bit. This is moving from the southwest to the northeast right along 35W. You notice on the visible satellite and radar combined, there is some clearing back to the west, seeing some more activity developing near Godley to near Bono, stretching down a little bit further to the south, northeast sides of Bosque County to near Walnut Springs to near Iredell. That's where we do have some more storms that are trying to develop just a bit more this afternoon. So you're noticing that kind of lining up. Just over the state line is severe thunderstorm warning in southern Oklahoma, but you notice the dry line has developed back towards the west a bit of that storm. So another area we're watching. So this afternoon into Friday, we have this alert in place because the modest cap, it's there. It's slowly eroding, and the development has been happening near the I-35 corridor through our late afternoon hours. Now, more development along a cold front this evening with large hail damaging winds, heavy rain, and the tornado threat is isolated. What's interesting, once we had the severe thunderstorm watch issued, most of the area that was under a severe thunderstorm watch was taken out. So that's a sign of a little bit of improvement in some spots, but the remainder of North Texas dealing with that potential of severe storms. Severe threat as we go into the evening hours. Still is a slight risk of severe storms, but you notice our northern counties, that level 3 out of 5. That's the enhanced risk of severe storms. So the potential is there that we will see more activity, more widespread coverage as we go into the evening hours with large hail, damaging winds, and an isolated tornado threat. So several rounds of rain and storms on the way, and our alert, Aaron, goes through tomorrow because, at least tomorrow morning, because of more storms on the way.
Yeah, the weather alert starting earlier this morning. We're really expecting things to ramp up a little bit more here in the next couple of hours, and then we still have some heavy rain into your Friday. Unsettled weather continues this weekend, but we're not expecting severe weather. So for your Saturday and Sunday, particularly Saturday, you see that 60% chance for rain, but it's really just going to be light showers, a little bit cooler, and some breezy northerly winds. The rain more likely tomorrow morning through midday, and while this will likely be below severe limits as far as severe thunderstorms go, we're still talking about the possibility of heavy rain, which is why we're keeping that weather alert in place. But looking to see things winding down a little bit into the afternoon, so a 20% chance for rain by 3 o'clock down to 10% by 5 o'clock, and at that point temperatures should be able to warm up a little bit. But tonight, you notice, of course, Scott mentioning that severe thunderstorm watch goes into effect. It's in effect now, and it's going to continue through midnight. Here we are at 9 o'clock, and you can see some of the strongest storms that will likely be seeing as we head into this evening, making their way into parts of the metroplex, kind of right along this frontal boundary. Now, once the front continues to move farther south and east, we still have some very heavy rain, possibility of some small hail and gusty winds, but then we get a little bit of a lull through the early morning commute time frame. Another disturbance moves in, though, and this is that heavy rain that we're talking about, which is why we're keeping that alert around as we head into Friday morning and through the afternoon as well. As I mentioned, we still have rain in the forecast on Saturday. Saturday morning a little cloudy, but it's really Saturday afternoon where we see these scattered showers moving in, and at times we'll have some heavier rain, but a little bit of a break into Sunday. We'll have mostly cloudy skies, temperatures back to near 70 degrees. Monday looks great, a little cooler than normal, but sunny, and then it gets a little unsettled as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday of next week.